One way to solve question number 39 is that we multiply 0.55 by 0.81 and divide the answer by 4.5. The other way, which seems quite easier, is that we remove the decimals. Let's see if we multiply all the three numbers by 100, what do we get? The thing is that we are going to see what are the common mistakes made in this case and the things that students overlook. So if we write 55 multiplied by 81 over 450, this is absolutely incorrect. Another wrong way to write it is 55 over 450 multiplied by 81 over 450. What actually we have to do is that, see, there are two numbers written for numerator, and we have multiplied both the numbers by 100. That means 100 multiplied by 100 is 10,000. So we have to multiply 4.5 by 100 into 100. That is 4.5 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 45,000, and then we can simplify it. And the rest is simple. And this is a thing that we always have to keep in mind, that if we are multiplying the numerators by 100 or by 10,000, what is it actually? We have to multiply the denominator by the same. And 99 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.099. Multiplying first and then dividing in question number 40 is a long method. So we'll go for simplification. Cut the zeros, 1 from 600 and 360, then 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63, 6 six are 36, and 6 tens are 60. 2 threes are 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. What are we left with? This is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 0.2, and you can see 3 fives are 15 times 0.2, the answer is 3.